PHA Yuva PHA Yuva PHA Yuva PHA Yuva. Let's our world of PHA Yuva. Welcome home for people.
Now we would like to call upon Ms. Gunjan Bisaria, Head Housekeeping, ITC Hotels, Delhi, on stage to address our audience.
Ms. Gunjan Bisaria, Head Housekeeping, ITC Hotels, Delhi. A dependable housekeeper with an enriching 20 years experience with the Indian hospitality leader in ITC Hotels. Proficient in maintaining hotel and its products with an attitude of staying well organized and team driven with strong customer satisfaction focus. Self-motivated and efficient with skill in handling all facets of facility cleaning. Enthusiastic and eager to contribute to team success through hard work, attention to detail and excellent organization skills. Always motivated to learn, grow and excel in hospitality field and the industry. In her current role, she is responsible for the overall upkeep of product and processes of housekeeping department pan-India for all luxury collection, Sheraton New Delhi, Welcome Hotels, Mementos and story developing, enabling and standardizing of luxury brand initiatives throughout the chain. Married for 20 years and blessed with 2 children, spouse is an ex-hotelier and presently in the travel and event management business. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get to meet Ms. Gunjan Bisaria, Head Housekeeping ITC Hotels Delhi at 5th Young Visionary Housekeepers National Convention and 7th anniversary of PHA Yuva. And with the support of organizing committee and the support of the sponsors, let's grab the golden opportunity to synergize with 250 plus professionals on 14 September 2024, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Fortune Park, JP Celestine.
PHA Yuva.
Thank you. I'm always glad to hear so many good things only on these forums every time about myself. Well, good morning, everyone. And thank you, PHA Yuva, and thank you, Jayashree ma'am, especially for organizing this event, a wonderful event to connect with the children, the students, the college goers, for my future industry or the future leaders of the industry. Looking forward to interact with you. I am sure you all have, like Mr. Bhavya already checked on with you. My question was also, do you have experience of first years on the job training, which you've already mentioned that you have. So it makes my conversation with you a little easier. In luxury hospitality, the guest experience hinges on impeccable service standards. For example, whatever we do to the guest, whatever services we give to the guest, it is always has to be enveloped into an atmosphere of extreme warmth and attentiveness. The experience should be non-intrusive of services, it should be impeccable. The guest should feel that he's come to home away from home. There should be a well-orchestrated symphony and a number of team players play part in every precision that they do. So my question now to all of you is that how many of you are Gen Zs here? Everyone, guys, you're all Gen Zs. Yeah, so would you know why are we segregated as Gen Zs and Gen X and Gen Y? Do you know why? Yes. So anyone wants to take that? Why are we segregated like this? Yes.
We have a lot of generation gap as well as a vocabularies are different. We think differently, we work differently. So to understand them better, we segregate them.
Yes. So to understand them, we segregate them so that we could fulfill the needs of all generations.
Yes, so that's true. There is a generation gap, and here I am talking about the ecosystem that has made us give that gap between a Gen Y and a Gen Z. We have been fortunate to, see the changes that have happened between the technology and how the department, how the hospitality has grown from Gen Y to Gen Z, which is currently growing, and you are fortunate to get into the system which is already adapted with the technology, which again definitely has way beyond to go. And I take the opportunity today to address you all to share what my department has already transformed into from where it started. It has transformed into with the help of technology. The core department, which is housekeeping, comes with a lot of discipline, commitment, and hard work, which everybody has already spoken about. You've been in the stream to also realize that yes, housekeeping is a lot of hard work, but believe me, this is the best department in the hotels. It also respects a lot of SOPs. In ITC, we call that welcome procedures. We follow that, and we are the flag bearers of the most critical to human and the world, that is hygiene. Post-COVID, everyone has realized that as well. Well, I would just quickly incorporate the technology into my notes that I'm talking about, and will touch upon all the transformations that have happened, and keeping the timelines in mind. We'll be happy to connect with you if you want to, and I can explain what I meant with each of those topics. We just a bit, I just want to take you through, we just saw a housekeeper, doing the broom brush. That is where we have, grown from hand and cleaning to vacuum cleaners now, and now enhancing the vacuum cleaners to be noise-free, efficient, they should be wireless. So this is where I'm coming from, technology that has developed into housekeeping. To begin with, we also have developed mobile apps for housekeeping managements, which is currently already in hotels, again enhancing again and again. I am not going into the details. We can connect if anybody wants any information on that. We have software integrated into PMS, automated robotic cleaning systems, ultraviolet disinfections thanks to Diversey, RFID technologies, which again I can discuss in length along with Ms. Madhu. We've had a great discussion on that. Automated fragrance dispenser. There were in our times when we started our jobs, there were people, they would go and spray for fragrance. Now they're automated fragrance dispensers, automated machines like we've already spoken. IoT-based equipments where the internet is connected with the equipments to guide us, where there are shortfalls or anything that happens. As a luxury hotel industry, every industry evolves. Technology is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of guest experience. The shift from Gen Y to Gen Z has brought a new set of expectations. I have also witnessed the same, and you are entering into the same. Fortunately, guests today is keenly interested in cutting-edge technology and expect it seamlessly integrating into the hotel. This integration enhances convenience and personalization. As mentioned earlier also, human touch cannot be removed. Technology can only enhance and make it convenient for an accelerated guest experience. And that'll be all. I just want to wish you all the best for our future, and hope to work with you soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful insight. May we please have Ms. Jayashree Nagaraj on stage to please felicitate ma'am. Thank you.
Come again.
Just a half a minute I'll have to take. You know the lady who spoke all this time? You will be surprised. She is also a ITC product. She also worked for Waksha. Mr. Bhavya also studied in Waksha, ITC products. And she from past 2.5 months, she is only in the airport. Okay, she has been extensively traveling. Okay, but still I told her, I requested her to be a keynote speaker only because visual demonstration, I wanted you all to have it. Okay, at this younger age, she has become a corporate housekeeper of ITC Hotels division. If she can be, why not you all be? So this is a role model.
BHA, you are BHA, you are BHA, you.
A warm round of applause, please.
BHA, you are BHA, you are BHA, you are BHA, you are. It's our world of BHA. You are welcome home for people. You are your time here is grateful here. You are you'll feel great to be here. You are na 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 na. We treat you with smile. Your stay moves on in style. We do it with pride.